I saw this question on Facebook. Can someone tell me why area rugs are so expensive? My first thought was area rugs aren't expensive. You just need to know where to shop. If you want to check out our 8 top spots and get tips on how you can pick the right rug for your room, stay tuned.
Hey, good people! Welcome to MommyRoomREDO, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this video,
We'll show you 8 affordable places to snag your perfect area rug. Plus, we'll give you top tips on how you can select the right size rug for your room. Let's get started. Ollies Bargain Outlet. This retailer offers name brand items, including area rugs, for as much as 70% off because goods are mostly retailer closeouts, overstocks, package changes, refurbished items, and irregulars. Just don't be scared by Ollies' rugged appearance. The store has a wide selection of area rugs at great prices. As you see right here, an 8 by 11 foot rug is only $99. So check out one of Ollies' 395 stores, one near you. Facebook Marketplace. Find super cheap, gently used, and brand new area rugs on the Facebook Marketplace. For example, this post offers new Target rugs ranging from $5 to $75. Now, typically I would never get an area rug from Target if it were for a prime area like my dining room, living room, or master bedroom. And this is only because I wouldn't want to see my neighbor with the same rug in their home. But rugs like these are perfect for a patio, a playroom, your hallway, or any other secondary space. The Habitat Restore. Habitat Restores are operated by local Habitat for Humanity organizations. The store generally features a wide selection of gently used items, but they have new stuff too. You can find out when new area rugs come in stock by calling your local store or checking Facebook. I still encourage you to visit the store directly because that's how you'll find the best deals.
Hey guys, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video, and make sure you comment down below ideas that you have for us to try on our home.
Bed Bath & Beyond. I think this retailer offers the best of both worlds. You can browse their selection of area rugs online, but then you can easily visit your local store to see if you really like the rug. As of this video, the store even offers curbside service. Rugs are consistently discounted, and you can enjoy even more savings with that widely available 20% off coupon. I purchased this rug when I needed to stage my house for sale, and the house sold. Amazon. So I got this rug from Amazon. While it says it's priced at $50.99, I actually got it for free by using the points earned from my Amazon credit card. I've seen this rug at other retailers, but not for this price and certainly not in this shape. I thought this round rug, which is just under 7 feet in diameter, would make a great addition to my kitchen, and I was right. Rugs.com. This online retailer has a large selection of area rugs for competitive prices. The quality is good and the shipping is fast. You get various discounts that increase if you buy more than one rug at a time. For a 9 by 12 Monte Carlo area rug, I paid $140 using a promo code, and I couldn't be happier with my purchase. Home Depot. Anyone who shops at Home Depot has probably come across their large selection of area rugs. They look good and appear to be quality. But for me, I'm just not a fan of buying major pieces off the floor of a neighborhood store, unless they're one of a kind. What I would do though is special order. Even if your neighbor gets the same rug, she probably won't have the same color and size. So check out the Home Depot selection online and purchase the area rug of your choice. Costco. Full disclosure, I don't have a membership at Costco and have never shopped in the store, but I've been hearing some good things about the store's area rugs, so that's why it made the list. One person who purchased an 8x10 area rug from Costco says the rug was easy to vacuum and impossible to stain. Can't beat that. If you've shopped for area rugs at Costco, share your experience in the comments below. Now that you know where to buy your area rug, here's a quick primer on how to get the right size for your room. Consider 3 things: the type of room you want the rug to fit in, the size of that room, and the vision that you have in your head. For larger rooms, start with a 9x12 rug, whether you're talking about the living room or the dining room. The point here is to have all of the furniture sitting on top of the rug, even when you pull the chairs out from the dining table. The living room furniture would be floating, and so that means the furniture would be set away from the walls. For the bedroom, the overwhelming majority of the bed should be sitting on the rug. For an 8x10 area rug, your living room furniture might be against the wall and it wouldn't necessarily fit fully on the rug. The dining room set would be more snug and the chairs might come off the rug when you pull them from the table. Still, the majority of the bed for your bedroom would be sitting on an 8x10 rug. Let's look at a 5x8 rug. Even though you see it a lot, it should not be used as the main rug for any of your main spaces. That's a big thumbs down. It makes the furniture look crowded and out of place. For a 5x8 rug, think about a hallway or a side room. But again, not your living room, not your dining room, and not your bedroom. For round tables, you determine the size of the rug based on the size of the table. Check out the illustration below to match your table with the right sized rug. Now that you know how to purchase the right sized rug, it's time to shop.
Peace.
Take care.